Welcome back to Brick by Brick. I just bought some new sets from my LEGO investing portfolio, and today we're going to be going over why I chose to invest in each one of them. Let's get started with the first set. So this is a very small little LEGO Ninjago set. It's only got 54 pieces. It's another one of those 4+ sets, so it's got bigger pieces and not many of them. And I was able to get this for 30% off. I thought it might be a good idea to maybe have a Ninjago set in my portfolio. I'm kind of interested in seeing if it does well, and I do think it might do okay. Ninjago hasn't been one of the best themes to invest in necessarily, but I still want to have one just to kind of see what it's like to invest in a Ninjago set. Next up, we have a Marvel set. This is a Wolverine figure. It's got Wolverine as a minifigure and then like a mech suit kind of thing. It's at 76202. Another small one. It's just got the one minifigure of Wolverine, but this one looked like a cool set and seemed like a good Marvel pick. I don't see LEGO Wolverine in pretty much any sets other than this one, so I think it'll be a pretty good addition to my portfolio. Next up, and I have two of these, the LEGO Star Wars Mandalorian Brickhead sets. And Brickhead sets have done really well recently, pretty much regardless of theme, but LEGO Star Wars and other more popular themed Brickheads have done even better. And so I thought that this would be a really great, safe investment. I do believe that LEGO Star Wars is one of the best themes to invest in, so it helps that they're LEGO Star Wars. And they're just two popular characters, Baby Yoda much more so. But I think it's going to be a pretty great investment. I could easily see this doubling in value even a year after it retires, possibly even less. And it is set 75317. It's got 295 pieces. And it's just got the Baby Yoda and then the Mandalorian figure. And it's a 2-for-1, which means I don't have to sell as many sets. So it's nice to just only need to sell one set to make some profit back. So that's been all the sets that I recently added to my portfolio. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions or comments about any of these sets. Thanks for watching.